Hello, today we are going to be talking about area and the law of sines. So let's look at these formulas. In these formulas, this is how you solved area. We have three pairs of formulas. It is the same thing, we just shifted around the sides to be easier to solve. So let's look at the first one. 1/2 times side A times side B times the sine of angle C. And the second one is 1/2 times side A times side C times the sine of angle B. Look at the third one. 1/2 times sine B times sine C times sine A. We put them in this order and we use them as what we are trying to find, or what we have and what they provide us and what they give us. So let's say they give us the sine C, angle C, then we would use this formula. Let's say they give us the angle B, then we would use this formula. The same thing with angle A. Let's look at this triangle. This triangle down here, we notice that the angle is across from the side. Sine angle C, side C. Angle B, side B. Angle A, side A. Let's look at the law of sines. Right here it says side A over sine of angle A equals to side B over sine of angle B equals to side C over sine of angle C. So what this is trying to say is that when you have these two, then you can find these two, because this equals to this, which equals to this. So if you have, let's say you have these two, then you can find either one of these. Let's say you're missing B, then you would use what you have and plug in. Now let's look at some examples. Let's look at this. This triangle, we have angle A, we have side B, which is 5 feet, and we have side C, which is 4 feet. Then we would use the formula 1/2 BC sine of angle A. The reason why we're using this formula is because we are trying to find area and we have angle A. So they give us that angle. Now let's plug in. Right here we have 1/2. We plug in for B, which is 5 feet. We plug in for C, which is 4 feet, times the sine of A. So then we would use 36. Right here we plugged in, and then we are going to solve for this part, which gives you 1/2 times 20, which goes down to, simplifies down to 10 times sine 36, which if you solve that, it would give you 5.88 square feet. This is to find area. Now to find the length, we're going to use the law of sines. So right here we have two angles. Right here we have angle C and angle B, and we have side B. So then we would use B over sine of angle B equals to C over sine of angle C. Right here I plugged in, so let's look at this. We plugged in for B, side B would be 10.4 over sine of B, which is sine equals 79. Oh, so it's sine of 79 equals to side C over sine of 40. So we go down, and right here we I simplified down 10.4 times sine over 40. That gave us 6.68. Now we go over here, and it's 6.68 divided by sine of 79, which would give you 6.81. And that is it for all the formulas. You just, according to what they give you in the problem, is what you use. And that is it. Thank you.